friends, and welcome back to another 3 in 3, our favorite series, and yours. Where we talk about 3 fragrances for a very specific occasion in 3 minutes or less.
And we're doing it again. And today we're talking about grab and go. Maybe you have to run out of the house very quickly. Maybe you got to run some quick errands. There could be some urgency involved. It doesn't have to be, but something very quick where you just want to grab something, not have to think about it so much, spray it on, know that you're going to smell great. So our first pickup, I could not turn this down. I was looking at my collection. I'm like, this has to be in the video. Not everybody loves it. I tried to not like it, but I really like it. Coming from Dior, one of their newest, this is called Dior Home 2020. This is a complete departure from the original Dior Home. If you know that fragrance, this is not that at all. This is basically a fresh woody scent. There's a lightness to it. There's a little bit of almost sweetness in there, but it's mostly woody and light and fresh and kind of musky in a way, and smells pretty characteristically masculine. Because it's a woody profile, it's very versatile. You could wear this in the heat or in the cooler weather, so I think it works just fine for this occasion. But that's our first pick.
I picked this one for the ladies. This is the Argos Femme. This is the older packaging. There's newer packaging now. This is a grab and go for me. It's kind of a signature scent. It was built to be that. It's really easy to wear. It's vanilla, amber, ylang ylang, musk, warm, has some depth to it. Delicious scent for any day. For every day.
Has a beautiful sweetness to it that's kind of sexy, I gotta say, but I think it still can work very casually, beautifully, just easy. As Grace said, signature scent. You'll see the bottle in the B-roll. She's put a little bit of a dent in this one because she wears it a lot. And our final pickup, this is coming from a beautiful indie brand known as Dasign. We're so happy to see him back on the scene. They brought back one of their seminal fragrances that is called Winter, and I have it here on my hand.
So good.
It's beautiful. Again, this is unisex. Anyone can wear this. It's kind of simple, but also very transportive. I imagine winter air, like cool winter air during the daytime. So it's perfect for this. There's a little bit of this kind of green, woody, coniferous feeling, almost like you're out in the forest or something, but you don't have to wear it in the forest. You can wear it to a cafe. You can wear it to the store, whatever you're doing. It's fresh, spicy with some cardamom, but woody and kind of green. And that's it. It's simple, but it comes together in a way that smells super wearable.
Absolutely.
So that's gonna do it for us. That is another episode here of 3 in 3. If you haven't tried these fragrances, check them out at the links down below. And thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.